Welcome to our Teviot row house renovation update. Today we're taking you behind the scenes to see some of the building works in progress on this historic site. I'm Dora, your Students Association President.
And I'm Lucy, Deputy Secretary Students. The changes happening behind these hoardings are shaping the future of this building, which is the oldest purpose-built students' union in the world.
Our renovation work looks to preserve Teviot's unique history while preparing it for generations of students to come. So let's look inside. We're standing in front of what will soon be a new entrance into Teviot off of Charles Street Lane. Above us, you can see this used to be a bay window. The door will sit below this and increase accessibility into the building.
We're transforming the lower ground floor, opening up what was 3 smaller spaces. When you come through the front door of Teviot's, you'll be able to look down, go straight through into the communal bar area connecting the buildings.
The room off the new Ampion is being completely revamped into a space suitable for student workshops, with highly efficient floor-to-ceiling windows and new roof lights to flood the space with natural light.
The new roof lights in this room are part of our commitment to improving the building's energy efficiency while preserving its architectural charm. The Teviot renovation includes many aspects of repair and restoration. We're pleased that repairs to the roof are now complete, including the installation of specialist access ramps that will make future maintenance much easier.
What was known as the lounge bar is being remodeled into a vibrant new student community lounge, which will feature heat and eat facilities for all to enjoy.
The original leaded windows to the front of the building were carefully removed and sent to a specialist restorer to be returned to their original beauty.
The famous debating hall is being preserved and restored. Large stained glass windows, some of which have been hidden for decades, are undergoing major restoration and will be reinstated in their full colorful glory at the back of the stage area.
Original sandstone has been carefully salvaged and will be reinstated into the new stonework. Repairs to the front stonework elevation in front of the library bar and the dining room have already been completed.
In the coming months, we'll be excited to see the new entrance ramp leading to Teviot's front porch added, which will improve accessibility from Bristow Square. And the iconic Teviot crest, which sits above our front door, which has appeared in countless graduation photos over the years, is being restored as a part of our sandstone repair works.
Our Teviot renovation is fully underway.
And as our renovation progresses, we'll do our best to keep you updated and take you along for the journey, so please stay tuned.